Hey guys, Attorney Walter Hnot. I wanted to take a moment and just kind of show you real quick how amazing and beautiful this property is, but there is one thing that is not beautiful, and that is unfortunately the hot tub in the pool. And it's been one of those things where I knew it was going to suck. I knew it was going to be horrific, and I knew it was just going to be a miserable time. But let me show you specifically what a slightly cleaned up, I've started brushing it, working on a slightly cleaned up version of the hot tub is right now. Pre-pressure wash, pre-heavy duty scrub. Here we go. So that's about a class 10 shit show. Coping stones are loose. That foamy stuff that goes around it has dissolved. Let's take a look at the pool. The pool, I saved all the frogs out of the hot tub. Pool I haven't started yet. I have to go ahead and basically see if I can find them, get them out, and then shock treat the whole thing. But check it out real quick. Here we go with the pool. Yeah. Yep, pretty much. So I know you guys have seen me working on stuff. I know you guys saw me paint that whole thing. Once I get done with the hot tub, once I get done with the pool, then I have to work on getting those shutters to go ahead and open and close because they don't work. So there's that. Another thing I have to fix is the concrete. I have to put some patching into it. You can see kind of like right here. I'll put some patch on it, and then basically I have to go ahead and paint the whole thing. That way you won't notice any of the patching that's done. Keep in mind, if you guys know anybody that knows specifically how to replace the white stuff, this stuff, I have no idea how that comes out, or if it does come out, or if it doesn't come out. You know, back in the day, they made everything pretty tough and well, but a lot of stuff, like, you know, it's interlocking and then it's there forever. So this might be one of those things where that PVC, whatever it is just kind of stuck forever. If it's not, though, if you guys know someone or somehow or what that stuff is called, let me know so I can go ahead and pull it up, replace it, and live the dream. Also, another thing before I finish this video, we needed garbage cans that would be fitting for a farm. They needed to be tough, weather resistant. If a horse bumped into them, we need them to, you know, stay tall. We don't want it to be metal, sharp edges, something that's going to hurt them. So what I found were old McDonald's garbage cans that were the square version of this exact design. They're like 300-pound heavy concrete little stone garbage cans. The guy was going to bring them over today for me to go ahead and pay for them, but they were so heavy on the trailer that he had that they blew out the tire. So he's not going to bring him today. He was supposed to be here at 10:30. Then he called. He's like, I just got up, blah, blah, blah. Now it's going to be 11. Then he called me at like 11:15. He's like, guess what? Got him on the trailer, blew out a tire. So yada, yada. But anyways, guys, I hope you're well. I'll catch you a little bit later. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. And I'm going to throw in some of the other videos that I've shot so you can see kind of what I've been doing. It is Sunday, so today's a full weekend day where I'm going to be working on the farm. Other than that, catch you a little bit later. We'll go from there. Let's get it, guys. Bye-bye.